What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a really simple repair on this Buick, and if you've got AC problems where the AC is coming in and out, one thing you should check for is right here, this ambient temperature. If you've got an ambient temperature that's moving around when it shouldn't be, or reading negative numbers or very low numbers, it can make the AC not work because the AC unit thinks that it's cold outside and it won't let the AC come on. Fortunately, this is a really easy repair and you're only going to need one tool to fix it, and that's this little panel popper. What you're going to look at here is right down here. You've got the ambient temperature sensor. All you need to do is reach right down here, pull this plug off the bottom, just like that. Then you're going to need a panel popper to go in behind here and pry this little plastic tab up. See if I can get that for you. Just like this. Then you've just got to take this little tab off of the old one, and here is the part number for the new one, the AC Delco part number. It does not come with the little tab though. That's why I said you're going to have to save that. So you just push your little tab back through, push it through the new one here, push this tab back in the way it was before, just like that, and plug your electrical connector back in and you're all set. Super easy repair, only takes a few minutes. Really easy but important, so that's something to check on. And now we shouldn't have any more AC problems with this Buick. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.